Following its world debut at the Detroit Auto Show, Honda brought the Insight prototype over in Chicago to give us a second glimpse at the upcoming electrified model. The production-ready Insight will launch nationwide later this year, featuring a hybrid powertrain that combines a 1.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired to a powerful electric motor and a lithium-ion battery pack. Honda opted for a sleek design this time, giving the new Insight a low and wide stance and a sweeping roofline. The front end is characterized by the company's signature flying wing grille and low-profile LED headlights. Honda says the new Insight will deliver class-leading power and expects an EPA rating of over 50 miles per gallon combined. The new Insight will operate in most conditions on electric power only, drawing energy either from the battery or from the engine. The new Honda Insight is also getting the company's sensing suite of active safety systems, which includes collision mitigation braking, lane departure warning, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow and traffic sign recognition. Honda is planning to position the new Insight as a premium compact above Civic in their lineup once it launches later this year.